In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Televizo on Smart TV. So this one is actually applicable on Samsung, LG, and Android. So typically, each TV have their own operating system. If you have an Android TV, you typically have a Google Play or a Google Play Store from there. So just proceed to search for Televizo IPTV player and click on this install right there in order to install it into your actual TV. If you have an LG, it has a LG App Store and search for Televizo from there as well and do that as well on Samsung. So from in there, you can just proceed to install right here in order to install it directly. So do take note that this particular app can help you add unlimited number of playlists, channels to favorite, block channels and group, change appearances, and watch videos in full screen or compact mode with personalized settings, programming guides, and likes. So this serves as an IPTV player for Android phone, tablet, or TV. So do take note that this is a video player only and you need to find your own content. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.